Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a easy brown smoky eye just using one eyeshadow. Yes, you heard it right. I'm just gonna use one eyeshadow to create this look. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have already done with my base and my eyebrows. So let's directly move to the eye makeup. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to prime my eyelids, and I'm going to blend that concealer with a makeup sponge. Then I'm just setting the concealer we just applied with a loose powder so that the concealer doesn't crease. Next, I'm taking this brown shade from the Sofx Makeup Revolution palette with a flat shader brush, and I'm going to start patting the brown eyeshadow on my entire eyelid area. Make sure that you don't go beyond your crease, otherwise it will be slightly difficult to blend it out. Next, I'm using the tip of the same brush to blend the eyeshadow into my crease and just slightly above my crease. I have not taken any extra color, and I'm going to move my brush with back and forth and circular motion. I'm trying here to create that gradient effect we want in our smoky eye look, and holding your brush correctly can make a huge difference to your application. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow with the same brush again onto my lower lash line. Then I'm going to finish the look by using the Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes. And I decided not to go for falsies for this look because this is beginners friendly and not everybody like wearing false lashes every day. And here's the final look, guys. That is how I create the easiest brown smoky eye using just one eyeshadow and one brush. Let me know in the comment section below how did you find this look, and if you like, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.